In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Jira tickets to parent tickets. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to efficiently organize and manage your tasks within Jira. We'll cover this in just a few simple steps, so let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Jira ticket that you wish to link as a child. This is the ticket that will essentially be nested under a larger overarching task or issue, often referred to as the parent ticket. By setting up this kind of hierarchy, you manage and track related tasks more effectively, which is especially helpful for more complex projects. Once you have your child ticket open, direct your attention to the ellipsis icon, which looks like three dots, typically located on the ticket's detailed page. Clicking this icon will give you access to additional options not immediately visible on the main interface. After clicking the ellipsis, a menu will appear. From this list, select the option labelled Add Parent. This may seem like a small step, but it's crucial because it's what allows you to establish that all-important hierarchical link between tasks. After choosing Add Parent, you'll see a drop-down menu that presents itself. This menu is where you'll select your parent issue. Having a well-organized list of tasks and knowing which one to choose as the parent will make this step feel seamless and intuitive. As you become more accustomed to this process, identifying and selecting parent tasks will become second nature. Once you've identified and selected the correct parent issue, there's just one more step to go. Click Done to confirm you want this child ticket linked to the selected parent ticket. It's as simple as that. This action effectively saves your configurations and completes the process of linking your tickets. Remember, organizing tasks in a parent-child relationship within Jira not only helps you visualize the structure and sequence of work, but it also aids in simplifying the workflow for your entire team. With tasks properly linked, updates are more streamlined and tracking progress becomes inherently easier. For teams working on multi-layered projects, this method of linking related work is invaluable. So there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to link Jira tickets to parent tickets, helping you keep track of your tasks with ease. I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to try it out and see how this method can streamline your project management tasks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.